Good morning, folks. Dominoes Seven here. All right. Well, welcome to this footage that's gonna probably eventually be uploaded to YouTube this early Sunday morning. Okay. So look at the neighborhood. You see? Yeah, bruh. Look at this area at night. Well, it's early Sunday morning. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that bus on that bridge. All right. So anyway, I'm on my way to church this early Sunday morning, praising the Lord, praying for Nala and stuff like that. Missing her so much. Thank God I speak to her from time to time. You know. Okay. You know what? I want to tell y'all something. I don't know why I say this, but I feel like I'm Steve Urkel, but the only thing missing is the suspenders, you know. You know something? Nala got brothers, but her brother's not Eddie Winslow, and she don't have a sister named Judy, you know. I feel like I'm Steve Urkel, but her mom not Harry Winslow, and her dad's not Carl Winslow, or should I say Nala Winslow. You know? Golly. I miss that girl so much though. I pray for all the time, you know. Thank God my mom don't hate her anymore, you know. Alright. Good morning. Alright. I'm talking to a neighbor, you know. Alright, so I wonder who gonna be watching this. I bet my cousin Terry gonna watch this. I have to mention her name on my show. Yes, indeed. I do have to mention her name, you know. All right. Yep. So it's 6 o'clock this Sunday morning. Okay, on my way to church. So every time my pastor say it's prayer time, I keep my mom in my prayers. I keep my family in my prayers. I keep Nala and her family in my prayers, you know. I haven't met all her family members, you know. I met some, you know. You know, I haven't met her nanny or some of the other family members she cool with, you know. So look at the CBD from here. You know, truthfully, Dominoes Seven don't like the CBD. Too many tall buildings, too much everything, you know. Okay, so I mean, at first, Dominoes Seven didn't like the West Bank at first, but now Dominoes Seven like it, you know. If it weren't for Nala, I wouldn't have loved the West Bank at all, you know. All because of her, I like the West Bank, you know. So should I move to the West Bank or what? What y'all think? All right. So see y'all in the next neighborhood.